Drake-O the Ruler, whose surrealist slang made him one of the most original stylists in L.A. hip-hop, died Sunday morning from injuries after a stabbing at the Once Upon a Time in L.A. festival. He was 28. His attorney John Hamasaki said in a statement, "We spent the hardest 2 years together fighting for his freedom, facing life, before walking out a free man just over a year ago. Through it, we became friends and then like family. I don't even know how to start processing this." The rapper, born Daryl Caldwell, was raised in South L and attended Washington High in the Westmont neighborhood. He quickly developed an idiosyncratic but evocative palette of lyrics. Drake-O called it nervous music for good reason. His music drifts with paranoia, but opens up to a rich inner world. "I know how to code everything and I switch it up every time I get bored," he told The Times in 2018. "People think I just make up words, but everything means something." After being discovered by local hip-hop production hero DJ Mustard, Drake-O helped define the region's evolving rap sound, alongside peers like O3 Green, G Perico and Shoreline Mafia, in the wake of Imaginative, challenging superstar acts of the 2010s like Tyler, The Creator and Kendrick Lamar. On a track like 2016's Impatient Freestyle, he could start with evocative boasts, "If I could write a movie I would recreate The Exorcist, I'm heaven sent, and think twice who you messing with," but immediately turn to the deprivations of jail. Giving in hell kills up top they say the beds was full. Drake-O recorded several popular and acclaimed mixtapes, including 2018's Cold Devil and 2020's Thank You for Using GTL, but his rap success arrived at a difficult time in his young life. Until last year, he was on trial in connection with the killing of a 24-year-old man in 2016. Drake-O had faced a potential life sentence on charges of first-degree murder, attempted murder and conspiracy to commit murder.